Sawubona mfundi, ibizo lami ngubonge Mndawo, ngihamba lo.
Queen P.
Today I want to teach you simple Ndebele sentences for things like I have an idea,
I have a question.
I have a problem,
I have a plan.
I have a solution, right? Things like that. These are very simple Ndebele sentences. You can even start using them today. And as promised.
Okay, how would you say I have a question?
Ngilombuzo ngesindebele. The question is called umbuzo.
Yeah.
And then how would you say I have an answer?
Nginempendulo. An answer impendulo ngesindebele.
Right.
And also, I have a plan. How would you say I have a plan?
Ngesindebele uzakuthi ngileqhinga. I have a plan. Right. What about Queen? I have an idea.
Ngilecebo. An idea icebo ngesindebele. And also, how would you say I have a request?
I have a request. Ngilesicelo. Isicelo is a request. Remember when you're saying ngicela, I'm asking for this, I'm asking for that.
Yes.
So when you say isicelo, it's a request.
Yes.
We move on to I have a disease.
Nginomkhuhlane. A disease is called umkhuhlane ngesindebele.
Yebo. Siqhubeke.
And also, how would you say I have a solution?
I have a solution. Ngilesixazululo.
Yes.
That one you may need to say it again after me. Isixazululo. So that's how you say I have a what? A solution. I have an opinion.
Nginombono. An opinion is called umbono ngesindebele.
Right. For example, someone would say, uthini umbono wakho? What's your opinion?
Yebo. And also, how would you say I have a reason?
I have a reason. Ngilesizathu.
Yebo.
For example, ngilesizathu salokho engikukhulumayo. I have a reason for what I'm saying.
Yes. Okay.
Then, but if you wanted to say I have a problem,
I have a problem. Ngilenkinga.
inkinga.
Yes.
A problem. Isindebele.
Yebo. And also, how would you say I have a responsibility?
I have a responsibility. Sithi thina ngilomlandu. Angithi a responsibility umlandu.
Yebo.
What? How would you say I have a big responsibility?
Nginomlandu omkhulu. Yes.
Just like I have a big problem, ngilenkinga enkulu. Right.
Alrighty. Okay, we also have I have an opportunity.
I have an opportunity. Ngilethuba. Ngibona ithuba.
Yeah.
I have a job.
Nginomsebenzi.
Ngilomsebenzi. Right.
Okay. And also, how would you say I have a boyfriend?
I have a boyfriend. Ngilejaha. Similarly, I have a girlfriend is what?
Ngilentombi.
Ngilentombi.
Yeah.
So these are simple and straightforward. Ngile, ngilo, ngilo. And let us know if you want to learn something else. Just let us know in the comments.
Bye.
Lisale kuhle.